One of my favourite springtime walks is a walk through the Bluebell woods. I took this photo and thought it would make a wonderful pastel demo for my students. So this is a time lapse from the pastel tuition that I did. So as you'll see from my other videos, I build up a layer and then use alcohol to liquefy the background, and then that allows me to work over the top to create more of the light in the dark. I'm using a selection of pastel pencils and some unison pastels, and I'm working on art spectrum paper, which is an acrylic base, so it allows the liquid wash. The darks are so important for creating that woodland feel, so I'm being really careful to emphasize the darks so that I can add the greens and the blues over the top. The pathway I've created, it didn't quite exist, but I wanted to get that sense of being able to walk into the picture, which gives a sense of theatre. The greens are so bright in springtime, and to make them feel extra bright, that dark contrast allows me to use some of the bright highlight greens from Unison over the top to create a real sparkly impression. And the last and final elements of the pastel are just looking across the finished composition and just checking that all of the trees have tops and bottoms, and that they're placed in the landscape by making sure that they've got the right darks and lights around them, and also putting back some of those lovely sparkles into the trees. The little sky-light areas are so satisfying to put in with nice sky colour blues and light colours, and the light greens that are almost yellow give the impression of sparkles. And you can see I'm adding the greens into the foliage in the trees and also across the floor of the woodland, and then it almost feels like you could walk right into that picture. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing.